I have observed that many English learners have this problem, right? They want to become fluent in English in a very less time, but still they don't practice their English every single day to see the beautiful results. So, friends, it's not because they don't want to become fluent in English or they don't want to practice English every single day. It's because they want, but they don't practice English every single day. Every day they end up feeling guilty. Today, I haven't practiced my English, right? So, if you are also facing these things, then definitely watch this video. In this video, I'm going to share what really causing them to not to practice English every single day, why can't they maintaining consistency when it comes to practicing English, and at the same time I will give you beautiful solution, and if you listen it and if you apply this technique to your practicing English, you just addict you will become addict to this technique and this habit, and you will become fluent in English in just in 1 month. That's how you will addict to this habit. Okay, so without further delay, let's dive into the main topic. Before that, I just want to request you that if you are new to this channel, new to this video, please give it a like and share with your friends. Okay, and if possible, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and if possible, share with your friends as well. Without further delay, let's dive into the main topic. Okay, so here are two reasons why they can't maintaining consistency in English, why they are really struggling with maintaining consistency. Our goal is to become fluent in English, speak better, express our feelings, ideas very precisely, right, very clearly. For that, we want to practice English every day. That's how you become fluent in English, right? So here is the thing. When they practice English when they practice English, obviously they speak with other people like their friends, English partner, co-learners, or even some people practice with AI apps. So in this process, what really happens when they practice their English with other people, let's say they are practicing who is better than them. So when they practice, obviously they compare their English with others. If they are speaking very well, then they compare that, that guy is speaking very nicely. It means they are expressing everything very nicely and they are speaking good on a given topic or a given question. When it comes to you, you feel that, on the other hand, you feel that okay, I'm also speaking very well, but I'm making grammatical mistakes. If you make grammatical mistakes, don't worry. But if you pay too much attention to that, this is where problems arrives. We often pay too much attention on making grammatically correct sentence, right? Most of the time, we make mistakes, we make grammatically mistakes, and that's when we think back in our head. It happens unconsciously. Back in our head, there is a thought, I made grammatically incorrect sentence, and slowly that thought leads to another bad thoughts. Another thought is that, you know maybe I'm not good enough, and that leads to fear of judgment, fear of making mistakes, right? And if you go through that stage, fear of making mistakes and fear of make judgment, then your brain, don't allow you to speak very freely, right? That's when you seem very nervous, you don't seem confident, you seem very nervous, you seem, you know unsure, and that's how you even make more grammatical mistakes. And second reason is that when we speak on a given topic, we speak unstructured way. It means we don't speak or we don't answer in a structured way. We feel that we are not good enough, that's why we speak like this. These two habits actually leads to bad thoughts, and these bad activities actually disappoint us, demotivate us, right? We are practicing to see the results, but when we make grammatical mistakes, when we make grammatically incorrect sentences, obviously we feel disappointed, we feel demotivated. I used to do the same thing, and I stopped practicing my English. Later on, I realized that, why I'm here. I just want to improve my English. So I'm learner. Learners can make mistakes. If they don't make mistakes, then they don't improve themselves. Right? So if you remember one thing, like you are a learner, and if you allow to make mistakes, you definitely make the mistakes. And if you make mistakes, if you notice that, next time don't repeat the same mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and repeat them. Why we are not practicing English every single day? Because when we speak grammatically incorrect sentences, obviously we demotivate us. There is a famous technique from the Atomic Habit, and that book says that when we do any activities and if you get instant results, then our body and mind feels very happy, and it drives us to do that activity again and again, over and over, every single day. Right? That's why we addict to bad habits like watching reels, scrolling reels, and watching porn videos. These are the bad habits we addict most because it gives instant results. So here, what really happening when we practice our English, instead of we are seeing the result, I mean we are getting the appreciation, we just see the negative things. We feel demotivated because of making mistakes, making grammatically incorrect sentences, and second thing, not practicing properly. And when we consider, obviously it leads to bad thoughts, and that bad thought, then that bad thoughts obviously demotivate us, disappoint us, and that's when we stop practicing our English. Right? This is why we are not maintaining practice, making this is why we are not making consistency in English. This is why we are not maintaining consistency when it comes to practicing English. How should we maintain consistency? What are the things? Simple, guys. We are learners and we have to make mistakes, right? If you are not making mistakes, then you won't improve yourself. And one thing, if you make the same mistakes over and over, then also you don't improve. How a true learners can learn English language, right? How can they improve? How can you improve? You should improve by allowing mistakes and learning from the mistakes. Next time, don't repeating the same mistakes. That's how a learner should learn learn anything, right? So make mistakes and learn from your mistakes, and don't repeat next time. Make new mistakes and don't repeat the same mistakes, and improve. Right? This is how anyone can improve their language. And here is the thing. When you make grammatically mistakes, when you make grammatically incorrect sentences, don't disappoint, don't demotivate. When you unconsciously think that I made a mistake, and you obviously feel bad, that time quickly remember that I am a learner. I must allow to make mistakes, right? And I should definitely learn from the mistakes, and next time I don't have to repeat the mistake. If you have this kind of mindset, then definitely you will learn English very fast and you will speak confident English. I hope you got it. Thank you.